Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. And today this time I came in Thiruvananthapuram, which is a capital city of Kerala, that is also known as the Trivandrum. So this is the time is right now 9 p.m. and I'm going to explore nearby my hotel places. So we can see, and this is very close to railway station of Thiruvananthapuram Central, and nearby Padmanabh Swami temple is also so close from here. So I'm going to visit, I'm going to see the view of Padmanabh Swami temple in night, because tomorrow morning I will go to take the place and inside the temple of Padmanabh Swami, which is one of the richest temple of India. So let's see how it is the view of Kerala capital's Thiruvananthapuram, that is also Thiruvananthapuram nowadays. So how it is we can see. So slowly I am going ahead nearby the temple area. We can see how it is that, and really it is a very one of the most beautiful city of India in Kerala, and we can see how it is the view of the city. And even I took a dormitory here in one hotel in sharing, so that is also very good. And we can see I'm just going through this road, a street, to see the Padmanabh Swami temple. Even there is a lots of things that is popular in Kerala, like there is also a science center, museums, beaches, and many more things is there. And even there is also one Belly Lake village, tourist village, that is also so popular, so I also go to explore. And apart from that, there is also a one church, many more churches there in Kerala, that is also so popular. And after that there is also a Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum, that is also so popular, 70 kilometer away from the here. So I will also go to see the and explore the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum. So I have to register for that online. So I will also go to visit the Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum, that is in church, because the first time Vikram Sarabhai, who is a founder and father of the Indian ISRO organization, who experienced and researched about and launched the first vehicle in the church, that is available in Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. So I will go to see the experience place of the Vikram Sarabhai, and I will take the knowledge regarding Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and Museum regarding ISRO, that is a part of ISRO, where Vikram Sarabhai also lost his life, because you know very well Vikram Sarabhai, who is known to be as the founder and father of the ISRO, how he struggled to launch the vehicles in one church in Thiruvananthapuram. So let's see. So I am going to see, and I am passing through this bridge bridge, that is we can say flyover. So how it is we can see. Even it is also a very greeny place, which is located nearby the bank of Arabian Sea. So that reason always it is raining here. Lots of rain I am always facing and getting. So I'm just going close nearby this temple. So this is also a Ganpati temple, which is so popular temple in Thiruvananthapuram, and this is in front of the Padmanabh Swami temple at one corner, that is also so popular temple. So I will also go, but because of this is at 10 p.m, so that reason the temple is closed. So I will go to explore in morning time. So let's see how it is the temple. And this temple, the decorations, the structures, the infrastructure of this temple is also so good. We can see how it is. So many more persons are also coming and taking the place this time also in front of this temple. We can see, and many more idol of Lord Ganesha, including many more idols made on the wall of this temple. We can see how it is, you can see. So in morning I will come and also go inside the temple and I will take the place of Lord Ganesha inside the temple. And even one popular mantra we know very well about the Vakrtunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samprabha Nivad Kuruve Namah. So that is also so popular mantra. So how it is the temple we can see. First I am exploring the temple from outside in night time, and then I will go nearby the Padmanath Swami temple. So how it is the temple we can observe and you can see. Because in night I am exploring all over the city of near, not too much far, only like 2 to 3 kilometers nearby my residence. I am exploring. So this is the main gate to go inside the temple. And even in this temple also how it is the architecture and like infrastructure. Lakshmi Narayan ki jai. So let's see, this is a temple corridor started of Padmanath Swami temple. So let's see how it is. So bolo Padmanath Swami Vishnu ki jai. This is the Vishnu temple. So let's see how it is temple. It is looking so good and so unique temple. So let's see. So Vishnu Narayan ki jai, Lakshmi Narayan ki jai. So right now I just came to see the Vishnu Padmanath Swami temple in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, which is the capital of Kerala. Padmanath Swami temple is so popular in all over Kerala in Thiruvananthapuram, that is also known as the Thiruvananthapuram. So let's see the view of temple Padmanath Swami. So I am going to see nearby and so close from there. So let's see together with me and Vishnu Narayan ki jai. Jai Lakshmi Narayan. So this is the main gate to go inside the temple of Padmanath Swami, and I am going slowly and I am explaining something about the great history of Sri Padmanath Swami temple, which is Hindu temple dedicated to Vishnu in Thiruvananthapuram, that is also known as the Trivandrum, which is the capital of the Indian state of Kerala. And it is one of the 108 Divya Desam which are considered the sacred abode of Vishnu, and it is widely considered the world's richest Hindu temple. And Padmanath Swami, a form of Vishnu enshrined in the Anant Sayanam, engaged in yogic sleep on his serpent mount, that is a Sesa, that is known as the Sesnas, we know very well. So Padmanath Swami is the deity of Travancore royal family, which is a so popular royal family from British side, from the state of Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So the titular Maharaja of Travancore, Mulam Tirunal Rama Verma, is current trustee of the Padmanath Swami temple, which was also belong from the Travancore royal family. And there is a very great history about this temple, and we can see how is the view of Padmanath Swami temple during the night, and which is also located nearby one lake. So Padmanath Swami temple built by Travancore Maharaja Martand Verma in 18th century, originally built in 8th century, and the temple was made by wood, but later it was constructed with granite. And in this temple here, neither man or woman can enter into the temple without dhoti. Men also enter into the temple wearing dhoti called mandu, and women also have to wear mundu, that is known as the dhoti in our language. So because of this reason, this temple is so sacred temple for Hinduism. So let's see, I am going slowly near and close to the temple, and tomorrow morning I will go and explore and take the place of the Padmanath Swami. So bolo Padmanath Swami ki jai. And it is one of the most Divya Desam of Vishnu temple, that is located in Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala. That is already I told and explained about that. That was a very great temple which is built by the Travancore Maharaja Martand Verma. So let's see, and bolo Padmanath Swami ki jai, and please like and subscribe my channel, because I visit and I am visiting all over India most popular temple which is related with our ancient India and ancient history. That is also a site of UNESCO and Archaeological Survey of India. So how it is the temple we can see. So bolo Padmanath Swami ki jai, and this time 10 PM, but no one is there. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks once again. Thank you.